Good morning. I just wanted to do a quick little video this morning about acronyms. As we continue in the course, we will be using most likely more and more acronyms, and I've also been making this comment quite a lot as I've been reviewing the last few assignments. So I just wanted to do a quick video to just make sure we're all on the same page about how we're going to be incorporating acronyms in our writing. So the biggest thing we need to keep in mind is you cannot go directly to an acronym. So in this example, the acronym is GIS. When we are writing a sentence, the first time we are going to use it, we have to spell out all of the words that constitute the acronym. And then you follow that by including the acronym in parentheses in the sentence. Then, in subsequent sentences in the same paper, you can just refer to the acronym itself. So I have noticed that when we're talking about degrees, or we're talking about maybe some healthcare terms or some computer related terms, I am seeing a lot of usage of acronyms. So I just wanted to clarify how we need to do acronyms in our paper. Okay, so I'm going to also link this particular resource. This comes from Penn State University. I will also link that webpage with the video. So if you want to bookmark that for future reference, you can. So I've been reading your progress reports and I'm very encouraged by them. And I want to continue to encourage you all to reach out to me if you need anything. I am more than happy to help in any way that I can, and keep working hard. Y'all are doing a fantastic job. All right, talk to you later.